Proteins are condensation polymers which are formed by amino acid monomers joined together by peptide bonds similar to the structure in nylon. So as you can see, this is the peptide bond, and by hydrolysis is when this compound is broken into these, and condensation is when the two compounds join together, so nitrogen and carbon can join together and water is released. So this is the same as nylon. So amino acids are small molecules containing NH2 and COOH functional groups. Most proteins contain at least 20 different amino acids. Now, these are the monomers which polymerize to form proteins. So, hydrolysis of proteins. Proteins can be hydrolyzed by the addition of water in acidic or alkaline conditions. So, basically, if you add water, the compound is going to hydrolyze. Heat and concentrated acid are used with a reflux condenser to prevent the acidic vapors from escaping the reaction vessel.